I'm back again, eating ice on the ride home from work. It's a whole thing full. I actually got a splash of tea, majority ice, because I was a little thirsty and I left my cups at home, so I couldn't get some of my ice that was already at work in a cup. So yeah. But I am a daily ice eater, and I would love you guys' feedback on what you want to see, how you want to see it, how often you want to see it. Any feedback is good feedback, regardless if it's good, bad, or whatever. I would accept it. If you do like these videos that I be doing, like, comment something. And if you want to see more, subscribe, honey. Help me help you. I will be getting a mic so y'all can hear the crunch a little better.